Hello children. First tell me what is the name of your unit? You remember that? Yes, our need. We learned about first need is food in the last lesson. Our next need is clothes. So today we will learn about clothes in lesson cover up. We wear colorful clothes. Sometimes we wear traditional clothes. In Diwali vacation we wear traditional clothes. In birthday party we wear party wear clothes. But why do we wear clothes? Because clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. As well as cloth protects us from dust and insect. Well-fitting, neat and comfortable clothes improve our personality. We look smart when we wear clothes. The clothes we wear depend on the environment in which we live or work. We wear different types of clothes for different seasons. You know children, what is the clothes are made of? Yes, from fabric or clothes. What is fabric made of? The fabric is made of from cotton, wool, silk and other materials. Now let's see one by one. First we see about cotton materials. See this picture. This is a cotton flower. We get cotton from cotton plant. This is cotton thread. This thread made by cotton. Weaver weaves cloth with the help of hand loom. See this small video. It shows you how cloths are made. This is a hand loom. See, these are saris made from cotton thread or other materials. See this picture of cotton cloths. These clothes are made from cotton cloths. Night suit, shirt, sari, frock, salwar kameez, etc. We mostly use cotton cloths in summer. Next is wool. Students, first tell me, when we wear woolen clothes? Yes, we wear woolen clothes in winter season. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Where do we get this? Yes, we get wool from sheep. Let us see some picture of woolen clothes. Sweater, woolen cap, hand gloves, scarf and woolen socks. Next cloth is silk. This is look shine as well as smooth and soft. This is silk thread. We get silk from silkworm. Silkworms live on the mulberry tree. See this cloth which made by silk. Silk sari, shirt, frock, dupatta, etc. We also make bed sheet, curtains, towels, bags and many more things from clothes. Uniforms. Now see this picture. Who is he? Yes, he is a doctor.
She is
A nurse. And
she is
a surgeon. But students, how do you recognize them? Yes, from their clothes or uniforms. Sometimes the clothes which people wear tell us about work they do. For example, people working in bank and office often wear light colored clothes. Motor mechanics use dark colored clothes while working so that the dirt does not show on their clothes. Now see this picture. Policeman, sailor, navy, soldier, lawyer. They also wear different uniforms. Children also wear uniform to school. See, this is your school uniform and this is your teacher's uniform. People working in fields use short clothes. These clothes reach only up to their knees. Long clothes will get wet in the rice fields. Washing time. Take care of your clothes. To keep clothes clean, soak them in soapy water for some time, then wash them with the clean water. Do not wash them roughly. Dry white cloths in the sun and colored cloths in the shade. Mend and stitches your clothes in torn